There's a financial trap more and more Americans are falling into. And it's not about houses, it's about cars. It's called being car poor, and it's draining wealth from millions of households. The average new car payment in 2025 is $745 a month. That's nearly 20% of take-home income, double what experts recommend. And when you add insurance, gas, and maintenance, transportation can eat up a quarter of someone's paycheck. What car poor means? Being car poor is just like being house poor. You're stuck with a payment so big that it kills your ability to save, invest, or even breathe financially. In many cases, people are also upside down on their loans, meaning they owe more than the car is worth. Imagine being trapped paying off an asset that loses value every single day. Why this happens? So why is this happening? Easy credit. Unlike mortgages, car loans are barely regulated. Dealers approve you instantly, often stretching loans to 7 or 8 years just to make the payment fit. Status pressure. Cars are seen as symbols of success. Social media and marketing fuel the idea that your car appartient your worth. Ignoring affordability rules. Most people don't know the 24-10 rule. 20% down, 4-year loan, and under 10% of gross income. Car-dependent culture. In America, driving is a necessity, not a luxury. How to avoid it? The fix? Follow affordability rules, buy used instead of new, and always calculate the true cost of ownership. A car should be a tool, not a financial prison. The truth is, the car you drive won't make you rich, but the money you save by not being car poor just might.